Looking for the best FPV drones to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI FPV Drone. The first thing some drone races look for when buying a racing drone is its top speed. And this model clearly stands out among FPV drones as it can fly as fast as 87 miles per hour. But the DJI FPV stands out in other ways, too. For instance, take the price. This new kit from DJI provides everything you need to start flying in truly FPV fashion. In addition to the drone, you also get the DJI FPV Goggles V2, which are comfortable to wear and use, a remote control and the new motion controller, and more. That offers you a lot of value for the money. In addition, it can fly in 3 different flight modes, depending on your skill level, and also comes with a number of useful safety features, including the emergency brake and hover mode. Simply press a button on the controller. The drone will stop and hover stably within a few seconds. The imaging and video specs are also quite good. You can shoot video with 4K resolution at 60 frames per second or 1080 resolution at 120 frames per second, which can be useful for slow-motion video at a very wide 150 degrees field of view. You can also shoot 12-megapixel resolution photos. Plus, the DONE system includes collision technology to prevent it from crashing. Overall, this DJI combo kit provides a powerful immersive experience. Dimensions: 12.2 by 10 by 5 inches. Weight: 1.8 pounds. Video recording modes: 1080p resolution at 120/fps, 4K resolution at 60/fps. Camera resolution: 12 megapixels. Maximum flying time: 20 minutes. Number 2. BetaFPV Cetus Pro. Although this model is meant for beginners, it includes all the necessary elements for learning how to use an FPV drone. The Cetus Pro FPV kit includes the brushless quadcopter and a light Radio 2 SE transmitter and VR02 FPV goggles. It's lightweight but sturdy, and it also has an emergency battery and low battery feature to avoid crashing the drone. Plus, there's an altitude hold function, which lets the drone auto-hover. It even has a turtle mode. If the FPV drone has fallen to the ground and is now upside down, you can activate the turtle mode via the light Radio 2 SE transmitter, and it will flip the Cetus Pro FPV back over to allow you to resume flying. Comes with 3 flight modes and flies at 3 different speeds. One downside is that included VR02 FPV goggles do not support video record function. However, if you want to pay more, you can buy the VR03 FPV goggles, which do support video record function. Both the resolution for VR02 and VR03 FPV goggles are 480p. Specs: Dimensions: 4.6 by 4.6 by 1.3 inches. Weight: 0.1 pounds. Video recording modes: not applicable. Camera resolution: not applicable. Maximum flying time: 4 to 5 minutes. Number 3. DEERC D20 Mini Drone for Kids. If you're looking for an inexpensive drone for an older child or teenager, consider this model. This mini drone comes with some useful features to help kids learn how to fly drones. It can auto-hover with its altitude hold system, and it's easy to use with its one-key start/stop function. It also comes with 3 speed modes. However, some of the imaging features aren't incredibly robust. Nevertheless, your kids might find them fun to play with. For instance, the onboard camera, which connects wirelessly to your smartphone and is where you see the streaming video, has only 720p HD video resolution. The photos are only 1280 by 720 resolution images, which is barely a 1 megapixel photo. But what is fun is that you can take photos and video clips via gesture control. If you make a victory or V sign with your fingers, the drone will capture a photo or video. It also has voice control. You can say takeoff or landing and the drone will respond accordingly. Specs: Dimensions: 7 by 4.7 by 1.7 inches. Weight: 0.1 pounds. Video recording modes: 720p. Camera resolution: 1 megapixel. Maximum flying time: 10 minutes. Number 4. DJI Avata. An important question you'll need to answer before you buy an FPV drone is, what are you buying a drone for? If it's to buy the fastest consumer FPV drone, then you'll want to buy the DJI FPV drone. The Avata's top speed is 60 miles per hour, which is fast but not quite as fast as the DJI FPV, which can fly up to 87 miles per hour. But if you're looking to buy a drone that shoots much better video quality as well as photo quality, then the DJI Avata is the model you'll want to consider. The Avata comes with a large, 48-megapixel 1/1.7-inch sensor, which is one of the reasons you get better quality photos and video. The lens has an f/2.8 aperture and shoots with a wide 155-degree field of view. The Avata also captures 4K video at up to 60 frames per second or 2.7K video at up to 120 frames per second if you want slow motion. Specs. Dimensions: 7.1 by 7.1 by 3.1 inches. Weight: 0.9 pounds. Video recording modes: 2.7K resolution at 120/fps, 4K resolution at 60/fps. Camera resolution: 48 megapixels. Maximum flying time: 18 minutes.